Hello everyone, my name is Akshay and I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. As you know, if you watch my English videos, English short videos, so you know my name. Okay, and this is my first video on YouTube. I can say this is my first long video on YouTube. Okay, and in this video, I am going to share you about my English journey. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so I started to learn this language before 3 months ago, and when I start to learn this language, I get confused a lot. I make a lot of mistake. I still making mistakes, but I'm improving myself. Okay, I'm not a fluent in this language, but I consider I am an intermediate in this language. I can speak to anyone in English, but I'm not a fluent. I cannot talk with the native speakers. Okay, so when I start to learn this language, I make a lot of mistakes. Some my friends suggest me to gain my fluency level. Online friends, I have a many online friends to suggest me. So they suggest me, if you want to gain the fluency, if you want to become a fluent, so please read a lot. So I apply this method. I purchase a book and read. One of my friends suggest me, please read a newspaper. You will find the many words and many vocabulary, and vocabulary make you strong. So then I start the newspaper to read the newspaper, but when I start the read the newspaper, I get stuck many times, because in the newspaper there are many so hard words, and we cannot use the hard work in our basic communication skills. So I don't know about this I'm reading the newspaper, it will not help me to the communication with the anyone. Okay, so I have just started to read the newspaper to read the book. I face a lot of problem because I cannot read the book, and as well I cannot speak the English speaking. So I read the newspaper 10 to 12 days, and also I read my book 10 to 12 days, but it will not help me. Then I talk to a stranger, then someone suggest me, please watch the podcast, please watch the English videos. All the content you are watch in Hindi, please convert into in English and watch all the English podcast while you are eating food, while you are doing something in the mobile. So use all the time English speaking. Please vanish your Hindi to into your backgrounds. Okay, so my friend suggest me to watch the podcast, so I started to watch the podcast a lot. I have watched many a lot of podcast, but my English speaking is not improving because I make a one mistake. I read a lot of book, like I read 2 to 3 books, and I also read newspaper, and I also watch many podcasts. But my English speaking is not improving. I am unable to speak with someone. Why? Because I practice to reading, I practice watching, but I didn't practice to speaking. So how will I speak? And my friend also suggest me that if you are not improving yourself, so please watch the podcast again and again. So I said to him, if I watch the podcast, if I watch podcast 2 times, so what will happen? Then he said me because they also applied this method, that's why he suggested me to watch the podcast. He said to me, I watch podcast 2 times, the same podcast I watch again and again. So I said, why you read the like watch the podcast again and again? Then he said me, if you watch the podcast, so you will remember the words, you will remember the sentences. That I think that it will benefit for me. Then I start to watch the podcast. So I watch the podcast again and again, like one podcast I read 2 times. So it will help me, but not a lot, because I watch the podcast, then I re again the podcast. So I remember the words, many vocabulary, many sentence, but I forget when I talk to someone. So I stuck many times to talk with someone, because I read the podcast, but the podcast will not help me, because I read the podcast like for example about the APJ Abdul Kalam. If I watch the podcast about the APJ Abdul Kalam, but if you when talk to someone, so how will you talk about the APJ Abdul Kalam? If he will ask you, if he will ask you like what are you doing, what is your aim, so what will you say about APJ Abdul Kalam? Not. You have to say about yourself. Then I consider that it will not help me to watch the podcast, to read the book, to read the newspaper. I waste my one month to watching that kind of things, and then I stop to learn this language. I think that I'm not born to learn this language. Then I stopped learning this language. Then after some time I stopped to learn this language. I didn't study anything, I didn't watch any podcast, any book, I didn't anything. I just thinking in myself. Then after I read a book about the English journey. It book helped me a lot. Okay, so in the book the author says, if you want to become a fluent, if you want to learn this language, this is the book all about the English speaking. So in this book it has written that if you want to become a fluent, if you want to become like a fluent speaker, so please start with the basic words and with the basic sentences. Okay, basic words means like there are a lot of have a basic word, so start with the basic words. And what I have done before, I read the newspaper. So in the newspaper there are many hard words, and the hard word I cannot use the hard word in my English speaking. So in this book I have read, please start with the basic words, with the basic sentence. Then I start the basic, reading the basic, very basic words, and I start to read like 4 to 5 standard class books of children books. So I started to read them. That slowly my English speaking is improving. And I started to watch like a daily life communication podcast, daily conversation podcast, like customer to shopkeeper conversation podcast, and all the podcast are daily basis podcast. So I start to watch the podcast. I quit the podcast for example I was watching about the journey of like Sachin Tendulkar. I have watched that kind of podcast. So how will get I become a fluent? How will become the fluent? So I started to pod, to watch the podcast like daily basis podcast. So it will help me, and still I am improving this language. So that kind of things I have done. So I suggest you, if you are learning this language, so please don't make this kind of mistakes. Okay, please don't start with the newspapers, please don't watch the hard podcast and reading the book. Please stop this kind of thing. If you are doing this kind of thing, so it will not enhance your English fluency. You will get confused and you will get stressed, and you will stop the learning language. So please don't make that kind of things if you are become a fluent English speaker. Okay, so I suggest you, please don't watch that kind of podcast which I have watched already. Please watch the podcast like a daily life conversation podcast. Please watch this kind of podcast. Okay, and don't remember the hard vocabulary. Please read only the basic vocabulary, because you are a beginner, you are not an intermediate, and you are not a fluent English speaking. So don't remember the hard vocabulary, the extremely heavy vocabulary. So don't read of that kind of vocabulary. Please read very easy vocabulary. It will help you to conversation with someone. Okay, and I know I make a lot of mistakes to explaining my thoughts. So please forgive me to and neglect my words, because I am not a fluent to speak in front of you. I am just an intermediate, and I have started my journey before just 2 months ago. So I cannot explain my words clearly. Okay, so please neglect my words. And if you like my video, if you like my journey, if you take some knowledgeable things from me, so please like and subscribe this channel. I will take you more English related videos and contents to you to enhance your English fluency. Okay, so please subscribe my channel. So bye.